how to remove marks from walls without damaging paint. Whether it's the sofa scuffing the wall over time, an accident with some splattered food, or a mysterious mark which no one will own up to, marks on the wall are bound to occur. But how do you remove them? Certain paints will clean better than others, and certain marks will be easier to remove. So how do you remove marks from the walls without damaging the paint? Step 1. Start small. Depending on the size of mark, always do a spot test clean to make sure you don't spread the mark or damage the paint. You don't want to go straight into scrubbing a large mark only to find that you discolor a huge patch on the wall and make that mark into a giant, irreversible stain. Step 2. Check the paint type. If you know what type of paint you have used on the marked wall, this will help when it comes to cleaning it. There are paints specifically designed to be hard wearing, which are usually used by tradespeople or as kitchen and bathroom paints. More often than not though, a matte or silk emulsion will be used across most of the wall. You have to be careful with water-based and chalky finish paints, as marks can be worsened by applying damp or wet wipes/cloths. Step 3. Wet or dry clean. When you think of cleaning a mark from a wall, you may wonder whether a damp cloth or wet wipe will make the mark worse. If you have any doubts, try lightly wiping the mark with a clean, white, dry cloth to see if anything comes off. Another option is a simple pencil eraser, which might do the trick. Just make sure it's a new, clean one. Here's a crazy tip. Use a new, clean tennis ball to get rid of scuff marks. Rub lightly over the mark and watch the magic happen. If dry cleaning isn't working, try a simple clean sponge in warm water, baby wipe or kitchen wipe. These can be good for smaller areas of dirt and fingerprints. If the mark persists, then don't fret, as you can try the following techniques. Bicarbonate of soda. Mix the bicarbonate of soda with water and use a sponge to apply the solution to the mark. Rub gently. The bicarbonate of soda should break down whatever caused the mark in the first place. Toothpaste. Yes, you heard that correctly. Toothpaste can clean your home as well as your teeth. Use an old clean toothbrush and gently apply a small amount of toothpaste to the affected area. Make sure you wipe the residue off carefully. Magic erasers. Wet the sponge eraser, then wring out completely before rubbing the stain or mark from the wall. If you have to do matte paint, you may find that slightly shiny patches are left behind once the stain is removed. Sticky remover. This is not just a good solution to get rid of sticky marks or label residue, you can also use a small amount to cut through scuffs and marks. Sift. Apply a small amount of sift to a clean, damp cloth and gently rub the affected area. Nail varnish remover. Put some nail varnish remover onto a clean cloth and dab the area with the mark. Bear in mind that this cleaning solution is a last resort. To paint or not to paint? If you find that the mark is not removable, then you may need to do a touch-up with paint. For a scratch, you'll need to sand the area lightly to first smooth the wall before using matching paint to cover up. If the paint has been on the wall for a long time, matching it can prove problematic. Paint can be sun-bleached over time or collect embedded dirt, so the wall colour can end up very different to the fresh, out-of-the-tin colour. Unfortunately, if a full wall clean doesn't help, you may have to do a complete repaint. But this is a drastic measure. You might be able to just place a nice wall clock or framed artwork over the marked area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to In the Wash for more great cleaning tips. Leave us a comment if you have any tricks for cleaning marks from your walls.